What time is it? It's science time! Check out this tower I just built. I have the styrofoam cup hanging here from the string. We know that gravity wants to pull objects down because that's what it does. Just like this paperclip, if I let it go, it falls to the table. But I have another paperclip tethered to the table with a string, and I'm going to put that up towards the styrofoam cup. And it hangs there. It's suspended in air. It's defying gravity. Look at that. That's pretty cool. My question is why? And can you think about why it might be doing what it's doing? If you thought it could be a magnet, guess what? You are 100% correct. This is a neodymium magnet. It's a super strong rare earth magnet. And what I have here is this magnet sitting in the styrofoam cup, producing a magnetic field. Now we can't see magnetic fields, but we know they're all around these magnets. So when I put the paperclip up into that magnetic field, it's attracted to the magnet. We saw that my finger could actually go through it, but I wonder, could we get other materials to go through it as well? Let's give it a try. Aluminum foil. Doesn't disrupt the magnetic field. Wooden ruler. So the wood doesn't do anything either. Got an orange highlighter? Yeah, highlighter. See what that does. Doesn't disrupt the magnetic field. I've got my handy dandy science notebook. Well, that did something different. The paperclip actually fell when I put the spiral through the magnetic field. The spiral, it's attracted to the magnetic field, so it temporarily disrupts the attraction the paperclip had. But here's the thing. What if I connect this again, like that, and then I try to put this back up here? The magnetic field is still there, and it's going through the notebook just like it was before. But now that the spiral is already connected, it doesn't disrupt the magnetic field and allows that paperclip to hang there. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.